Hello and welcome back to our bar. Well, some people might call it our kitchen, so
It is a kitchen.
this is where all the drinks come from. So Wayne, come on, take it away, make us a drink.
Alrighty, we're going to have another exciting cocktail. So, had lots of responses around the Mandarin Mint Martini we did
With
last
Marsha.
week with Marsha. So, making a really nice, simple one for today.
Okay.
So, all we need is some ice, cocktail shaker.
Oh, this is fantastic. This is from our friend Jewel Chick. Look, it's rainbow. And you can get it at house, and all the proceeds go to support young women in Africa, helping them get educated. It's really good.
Such a cool.
Go and buy it. Look at that. There's lots in the range. Jewel Chick.
So cool. Anyway, so all we're going to need to make this drink is some melon liqueur, some white tequila, some vodka, some gin, and some white rum.
I'm so excited. That looks dangerous. Go on.
It may look dangerous, but you'll be surprised.
Okay.
So, what we start off with first is our melon liqueur. Now, Tom, can you open the tequila while I'm doing this? So, what we need is one full nip. Are you right there?
Yeah, just go on without me.
Look, 1.5 nips of melon liqueur.
Oh my god.
Don't break your teeth.
It's only plastic. Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay. We need half a nip of vodka.
I'm happy.
You're right. I thought that was mother's milk to you.
Yeah, I know. But
Alrighty. Then we need half a nip of tequila.
Do you want me to put these back?
Yep.
Out of the way.
Alright, half a nip of gin. Ah, I need my Bacardi. God, it's getting too efficient. And also half a nip of rum. And that's all you do.
Rum. Oh, I don't shake it because I never put the stuff properly. Yeah.
Alright, now, while I'm shaking this,
I'm going to get the little...
and can you get the glass out for me?
Nice and cold.
Alright, give it a really good shake.
A few moments later.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
I'm having so many problems. I've got bad eyes.
If you cut your fingers, we haven't paid the health insurance. Alright, so shake it until the shaker goes really frosty and cold in your hands. Then, all you do is strain it into a really chilled glass. Wow, look at that colour.
Oh, look at that. I don't know what I've done with this.
It's amazing.
I've just butchered a lemon. And
And then all you do, once we get there,
there you go. 1, 2. Look, smiley faces. Or eyebrows.
no one wants,
Oh, sorry.
wants your hair in there. And then all you do is just garnish with a lemon twist. I'll put both in because you made such an effort to make it.
So what's this called?
And this is called an acid trip. Now this is an ode to Matt Preston, but this is going back to his punk rock days and when he was a DJ.
That is fantastic. Oh, you're right, because we're going to find out that Matt Preston was into punk rock, man. So what else? Acid trip.
Now, this is definitely a sipping cocktail, not a sculling cocktail.
I was going to say you better go back off because when I finish this, God help you.
But notice how it doesn't burn. Like having all that alcohol in there, it actually doesn't burn.
No, it's beautiful.
And that's because by shaking it, the bubbles, the alcohol bubbles actually soften everything out.
Fuck science. Let's look at this. Follow us at Cocktails with Wayne and Tom on Facebook.
And you can also follow us on Instagram, Cocktails TV.
Or just at Wayne and Tom.
Or just follow us at Wayne and Tom. Thanks for coming to our kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.